Airzuma Portable Cooler is marketed as a compact cooling device that supposedly delivers powerful cooling, lower energy use, and instant relief from hot weather. But the real question is, can it actually cool your surroundings? Now, to be fair, portable cooling devices and mini evaporative coolers are real products. They can provide airflow and create a cooling sensation in certain situations. What it does well: portable and lightweight. Small cooling devices are easy to move between bedrooms, desks, offices, and travel setups. Uses less electricity than a full AC unit. Personal cooling devices generally consume less power than traditional air conditioners. Where the hype falls apart, it will not replace a real air conditioner. This is the biggest issue. Many ads make these devices look capable of cooling entire rooms when they're usually designed for personal use. Cooling is often localized. You may feel cooler sitting near the device without dramatically changing room temperature. Performance depends on the environment. Evaporative-style coolers typically work better in dry climates and less effectively in humid conditions. So, can Airzuma Portable Cooler actually cool your surroundings? Short answer: yes, but mainly in a small personal area. If you want airflow and localized comfort near your body, it may help. But if you're expecting it to cool an entire room like a traditional air conditioner, expectations are likely too high. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.